So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to record your screen and your face cam all at the same exact time. So if you want to record your own tutorials, you want to record, workshops, classes, educational content, or maybe gameplay if you're like a gamer. Honestly, if you just want to record your screen and your face cam, high quality, both at the same exact time, synced up together with audio all in one, this is the exact way to do so. First things first, we are actually inside of Streamlabs. Now, I actually prefer Streamlabs. It honestly just looks a lot better. It looks a lot cleaner. Once you go ahead and get it set up, it's not gonna look like this. This is sort of like the side-by-side view, and this is like how I record both the face cam and the video at the same exact time. Like I just go and have either me or my editor separate these two for our 1980 timeline, and then just like kind of cut back and forth between them as needed. So let's say like right now, I want to switch back to my face cam. My editor can switch to the face cam, which is why my face is on screen. Let's say I would just want to cut straight to just the screen. You guys are just seeing just the screen, no face cam. And then I'm going to add the face cam in the bottom left-hand corner. And then my editor is going to remove it because I kind of already have my face on screen right now. So it's kind of, pointless. So let's go ahead and figure out how to get this side-by-side sort of effect going. So let's go to settings. We're going to go to video, and then we're going to go to custom base resolution. Now, you want to set this to custom. I'm recording right now, so I can't really change this. You want to change your custom base resolution to 3840 by 1080. And 3840, the reason how I got that number is I want a 1920 by 1080 timeline. That's what I'm going to be editing in Premiere Pro. So to be able to record 1080 or 1920 by 1080 two times, I have to duplicate the width, So 1920 is the width, duplicate it twice because I have two scenes. So 3840 is that number. So once you go ahead and have that set, 30 FPS is honestly great for social media. You don't need 60. There's really no reason for it. And then that's pretty much it for you guys. Like, let's say you want to record your stuff to a specific sort of location. I believe if you just go to output, you can go to recording path, and this is where my stuff is saved. So anyways, guys, that is it for today's tutorial, sort of like overview. Just go ahead, look up Streamlabs OBS. You can find it online, Google, super easily for Mac and PC. But anyways, that is it for today. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, take action, take over. Peace out.